Hello and welcome to the Hydraulics and Coastal Resilience Lab. Today we are joined by Assistant Professor Gary Lei, who will bring us through this fascinating space. Can you tell us a bit more about yourself?
Yeah, so I'm Assistant Prof Gary Lei, and I'm in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering. And my research is about water and plants, and in undergrad studies I teach fluid mechanics.
So to start, can you tell us more about why this lab is unique and how this contributes to coastal resilience?
Yeah, so if you look at here, this lab is unique because this is one of few in the whole world that can do three-dimensional flow. We have waves propagating from the blue paddles all the way to here, and it's about 20 meters in length. We also can generate a cross flow from the left side to the right side, such that it will create a three-dimensional flow, which is the realistic and the complex flow you can see in the real world. And what we do here is that we place different kinds of coastal protection solutions, such as artificial vegetation, hard structures, artificial reefs, coral reefs, etc. And by looking at the wave impact right here, we can examine what is the efficacy of this coastal protection, and then we will have a better understanding of coastal protection and resilience.
So it must be exciting to see some real-world applications of this research. So can you share some examples with us?
Yes, so some real-world application of our research can actually help Singapore to develop nature-based or hybrid solutions to coastal defense. And one example I want to talk about is the mangrove seedlings integrated with these hexagonal concrete planters. So this is a solution that has previously been implemented in the Pulau Ubin Island to increase the biodiversity. But right now, we are studying how much coastal protection can be provided by this type of hybrid solution. So after knowing about the details, when we implement them in the coastal again, we will have a better understanding of how much protection they can provide, as well as biodiversity enhancement.
It's amazing to see how this research translates into real-world impact. Now, for students interested in civil engineering, what kind of opportunities are there?
Yeah, so for undergrad students, we do have Europe project. We also have final year project that students can come to the lab, have some hands-on experience to learn more about coastal resilience and do some experiment. And here I want to present one example, and the very first version of this small wave tank was actually a FYP project. So we built this whole tank from scratch, and from this experience, I think students learn about design, engineering, and also after finished building the tank, the student did some wave tests and study how nature-based solutions help with coastal protection. So we have this interdisciplinary environment that students can learn from multiple fields and gain their knowledge in actual applications.
So for those who are interested in joining civil engineering, what advice do you have for the incoming students?
My advice for incoming students, so first of all, I think they should embrace the opportunity to have this interdisciplinary background, because we have geotech, civil, structural engineering, hydraulics, coastal protections, environmental engineering, and etc. And also right now, I think Singapore has a big interest in coastal resilience and sustainability. Well, in civil and environmental engineering department, you have the opportunity to learn both and apply them in coastal protection and flood resilience and etc.
Thank you for the insightful tour. It has been incredible learning about the cutting-edge technology used in the Hydraulics and Coastal Resilience Lab. Thank you.